Alright, so to balance this, I threaded the hole. Now I'm going to put some lead shot down there. It's already tightened on the key here. I'm going to put lead shot down there, and then I'm going to put another set screw in here to hold that. Alright, so that's the 5/16. That's the 5/16 set screw that I'm going to put in there, and I don't cram it down in. I don't want to jam those shot in there so that they cause trouble and can't get them back out. Alright, so that was 4,900 RPM. It's very smooth. The jumping at the beginning of that was not the balancing of the wheel. It was the way power is delivered to the motor that causes it to be a little bit jerky. Kind of like running on a single-cylinder motorcycle isn't as smooth as running on a four-cylinder motorcycle. You get that hammer. That's what was going on down low. Alright, so that one's set up. Let's put the belt on it and run the whole machine. I have a setup wheel that's mine that I use when I'm setting up for a customer. And so now this machine's just about to be delivered, so I put on their wheel back there, and then I'll change this wheel up here because this is also my setup wheel.